thing that I did, I told you all before break that I went to my broker when I got to Coldwell Banker and I asked him, who is number one? That I think was the most important question. This is before social media and open book companies like KW. But I encourage you and invite you all to find out who the top producers are, that you should be not necessarily looking up to, but just take a peek and see who they are, what they're doing, and seeing if there's anything that you can relate to. The way that I met Amisha is the same way that I met the person who I stalked and became her assistant. So I want to talk to you all about I'm sure you've heard of it, the average of 5 rule. You are the average, and your income is the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. Yes, we have our friends and our personal circles, but how many of us have our professional 5? Okay, if you have your professional 5 intentionally, not like you just ended up in this group of friends or this group of colleagues, but do you have an intention? Have you intentionally said these are the people that I want to be associated with or emulate? And it doesn't even have to be anyone alive. Like Jim Rohn is one of mine. Who are the people in my circle that I relate to, look up to, to make this average thing? I want to average out higher than where I came from.